Right guys, we've just set off, put the canoe on, loaded everything in the car, and we've hit the rat race. So we're going to escape all this. So 2 weeks of bliss. This is the worst part now. And then just started enjoying my egg roll. Beautiful day. Yeah, can't wait. Right guys, just arrived. Nice drive. Bit of traffic at the start, but just got here. It's absolutely stunning. Birds are all chirping. Lovely campsite. We're going to camp the first night. You know, just to chill out, and then tomorrow we'll be wild as such. The river's just down there. So river's, as you can see, down there. Nice place to put in tomorrow. That's our first meal, guys. Very nice. Bit of chicken, coleslaw and some beans, and a bread roll. How good's that? Nice meal and lovely location. Beautiful place. Morning guys, it's about 4:15 now, so nice early start, get some breakfast on and then start wrapping up. We're going to go down the river. Lovely evening last night, didn't seem to get dark. No, beautiful, lovely place. So boat's loaded up now guys, we're heading that way, see where the river takes us. Catch you in a bit guys. out, guys. Beautiful, really nice. Lovely day. First day on the river. Another 13 days to go, or 12 days to go. Mrs Bushwacker's heading up the boat. How are you liking it, Ange?
Yeah, lovely. It's only about 8 o'clock in the morning, isn't it?
Yeah. So I got up at 4 this morning, so had a quick breakfast and then straight on the boat. Eat your heart out, guys. We got 13 days of this. And this weather as well. Beautiful. Just chilling out, just found a little beach area, guys. Just had a little bite to eat. Done about a mile and a half, 2 miles. Just taking it nice and steady, enjoying the sunshine. It's the life. And probably go another hour or so and then find somewhere to pitch up for tonight. Hopefully might try the hammock tonight. This would be a lovely spot here for the hammock. There's a couple of trees. I'll be quite settled here for the day. But no, it's nice getting up early, getting on the river early, and see an otter earlier as well. And it's stunning.
brought the boat round. We're going to pitch up here for tonight. Absolutely stunning. Nice bit of firewood as well, so happy days. The water's lovely and warm. Got the hammocks up now, guys. As you can see, we bought the tents and the hammocks, so we got best of both worlds. So just chilling out now. Absolutely stunning location, and I'll show you my view that I've got lying in the hammock. Absolutely beautiful. So every corner on this river's hiding a little gem, and we found one here. So we might stay here a couple of days, we'll see how it goes. Mrs Bushwacker's having a little go at fishing. We're just luring. There's going to be some nice trout and salmon in here, so having a go. But no, loving it, guys. Really, really good. Looks like Mrs Bushwacker's enjoying it as well. Alright guys, made a little fire pit, guys. Collected some nice dry wood. Really chilled out. Had a bit of a wash earlier in the river. So beautiful. And Miss Bushwacker's enjoying it.
Yeah, great.
Caught the sun a bit and all. So yeah, awesome. Awesome. So we deserve this. We've had breakfast this morning, just had a few snacks, and well, this is our main meal now, so been on the go all day. Alright guys, been a great day. Feeling a bit knackered now, so me and Mrs Bushwacker are going to hit the hammocks, get an early one, and recharge the old batteries for tomorrow. So it's been a great day. I'll see you guys in the morning. There's Mrs Bushwacker. Wants to sleep.
Really?
Enjoyed it, Ange?
Yeah. Really relaxing, isn't it?
It's lovely, isn't it? But we've been up since 4, so we're feeling a bit shattered now. I think it's about 9 o'clock, so nice sleep tonight, and we'll be bright as rain in the morning. Sun's still shining though, gorgeous. So it's going to chill out now. So see you in the morning, guys. Morning, guys. Now Mrs Bushwacker's peeling the eggs. We're going to have boiled egg and bacon rolls. Good start to the morning. Great start, nice chub as well. So we're going to enjoy this, guys. That's handsome, guys. Can't get better than this, can it? Loving it. So I've laid out all my food stuff for 2 weeks, guys. Looks like a little shop on the island. Come in and help yourself to the products. So we've planned sort of long life products that will last us the duration of 2 weeks. You know, in case there is shops, you know, on the river, so you know, if we want a takeaway or something, but if we don't, then we've got enough food here for 2 weeks. So this section here, guys, is the medicinal section. We got some Manuka honey, Bailey's, and some sweets for energy. We've eaten all our perishables. We brought some bacon with us, so that's run out now because we're on our 3rd day. So now we're going to granola. So we've got some packs there, some packs in there as well, and then we've got powdered milk, so we mix the powdered milk up in this container. So this will be our breakfast, and then lunchtime we kind of eat these because they're nice and easy. Just stop off on the side of the river, just peel it. There's even a fork in there, so there's no washing up or nothing. They're brilliant. And then sort of light snacks, pot noodles, you know, a bit of peanut butter, and then a bit of meat protein, cabanas and salami. This is, you can do a lot with this. I might make some kebabs in a video with this. A couple of them light snacky meals again. Flax seeds, nice kick to the morning that we can have with our cereals, so that's good. Jacket potatoes, hot dogs, bit of pudding. We treat ourselves to a pudding one night, creamy rice pudding. As you come through the store, we got mackerel, cup of soups, lots of selection of nuts, high protein, keep us going. Long lasting bread, that's what we had this morning with the bacon. Just had that on the side of the fire. We've got these tomato and mozzarellas, just put them boiling hot water, that'd be quite nice. Beef jerky, energy snacks, bit of billabong, some bread over here, garlic bread, some energy, zero energy tablets for our water, and 2 drops, I think it's 3 drops of that in water. So if we have to purify our water from the river, we'll put this in to take away the, you know, add a bit of flavour to it. So that's really good, really compact. Little Belgian hot chocolate there. Don't tell Mrs Bushwacker though, that's my one. She's lost hers, I think. Bit of salsa with the crackers. Oh, sweet Italian biscuits. Didn't know we had them. I might have them later. Sweet Italian biscuits with almonds. Italiano. Very nice. So that sort of covers everything that we could survive on for 2 weeks. Oh, and there's a bit of salad cream over the back as well, and a bit of cooking oil. Oh, we've been using ghee as well, which is, I'm really impressed. First time I used it. So in this pot, just to back up to the cereals, you know, because we've got, I think there's about 9 days there. So we've got porridge there. So nice amount there. A few tins, ravioli, hot dogs, corned beef. I've covered that. Bit of peanut butter. That's good with the crackers, or just dip your finger in it. Me trusty old eggs. Oh, another 2 hot chocolates there. They should be in the hot chocolate pile. Some fresh onions. So I think we got it covered. Bit of salt, sugar, milk, and coffee mate there. And I did have some tea bags, so they're in my other bag. Up there. Yeah, that's loaded up with tea bags. So that pretty much covers our 2 week trip. And then obviously it's a bonus if we stop off and eat out. I want to show you that ghee as well. Used to use just normal animal fat lard, but got this. I'm really impressed with this. really good for cooking over the fire. It just, you know, the oil just stays in the pan, it just doesn't evaporate or burn. So that's brilliant. Now I'm going to switch over to this. Really like that. Plus you can put it on your rolls as well. Had a nice breakfast this morning. We're going to go down the river and just stay here. We decided to stay here today. We're going to chill out, maybe do a bit more fishing, just explore this bit and enjoy the sunshine. So I'm going to lay this out again, guys, and show you some other things that we bought. So I'll see you in a bit. So that's all going to go back into that bag. It's Bushwacker. You want to load it up and then we'll reload the blanket with our other items.
Okay.
Good girl. So put the food away, guys. Got the electrical stuff out now. I'll run through that with you. We got 4 bank units for holding power. So I do like this make anchor. It's reliable and quite robust. We're quite you know, heavy-handed what we do. So we got a bank there, a bank there, a bank there, and obviously my phone's a bank as well. So that's 4 ways of storing power while we're on our canoe trip. And then to resupply the banks, we've got 2 solar chargers, which is also a bank, solar charger and a bank, so we can get power from the sun. As you can see, I'm charging my camcorder battery and my e-cigarette. You know, anyone that smokes these and wants to go away for a long period, you can see, you know, it can be done as long as the sun's out. And then I've got 1 mechanical charger, which I did do a video on this, and I've done a bit more research on it, and I realised you can charge. It's got a charging port at the bottom, so you can put that bit in there, that attachment in there, and then link it to your phone. Then you can crank down. So as you can see, guys, it becomes a wind-up charger. You know, it's not a long-term thing, it's good for an emergency. It charges my phone up. And while I've got my phone in my hands, I'll show you another gadget that I bought with this. Obviously you've seen the fan before, but I'll show any of you other guys that are new to my channel. Amazing phone. So this come. So I've got a nice fan there that I use on the fire, and obviously keeping cool. And also what I bought now is a little LED light. So that's a nice little touch, and the phone's powering that. So I do like this phone, you know, as a phone and as a bank. And it charges. I'll just unplug my electronic battery, and it charges your electronic cigarette as well. Then people that do smoke these and are in dire need of a smoke and your battery runs out, good old phone. On the solar charger you've got 2 ports, so you can charge 2 items at once. Obviously when the sun's, well, it's not a really bright day, the sun's gone in and it's still charging 2 units, which is really good. And I think that's 14 watt, so it's quite a powerful little charger. And you know, all these items that are here, I'll put the links on the bottom of my video. Obviously everything can be charged. That's Mrs Bushwacker's torch, so that's got a port on there at the top, and that can be charged via the bank or the solar, and same with mine. So that's what I like about these torches, and this one's really, you've seen this on my review, but you know, it's just a magnetic charge straight into the solar or straight into your power bank. That's awesome. And then my Garmin, which I connect to my Canoe, so it's got GPS on there, sunrise, sunset, temperature, so it's got all the outdoor gadgets on there. I really like that. So I've got this and my map, so I can relay between the two, so we know where we are. So I'll keep that topped up as well with the solar. Two mobile phones, one you've seen, this is Mrs Bushwacker's. Mrs Bushwacker's wind up torch, in case everything does go down and we need a wind up torch, which is really handy. So we've got two wind up torches. Obviously the GoPro, charge that the same way, power bank or solar. We've got a little portable battery charger for Mrs Bushwacker's head torch. That just takes standard AAA's, so we charge them on here, and we've got some AA's on here as well, and that just plugs in there and takes all different size batteries. So this is a really nice piece of kit for charging your batteries. And then a few odds and sods batteries there for our other little torch that we haven't brought with us, but got the batteries there. So that's pretty much it for electrical items. Covers a lot of situations. So cheers guys, and I'll relay some more stuff out on this blanket. You can see what else we bought. It's surprising all this went in the Canoe, to be honest, but it's nice to have all your gadgets with you. So these are tools we bought. So a couple of saws, two more knives, my knife there, a couple of little pocket knives, my Swiss Army knife, shovel. That's been quite handy for toiletries, and I was doing a bit of panning the other day. I'm going to do a bit later, I'll show it on video, trying to look for some gold in the river. So that's been really handy. Oh, my neck knife as well. It's been quite good around the, around the kitchen area. It's really chilled out, guys. It's just so nice. We decided to spend a day here, and it's just sitting around. I thought I'd do a few of these videos, and then fire lighting, a few lighters. Like this kit's all me and Mrs Bushwacker's combined stuff together, so backup of a backup. So a few lighters there, ferro rod, box of Swan Vestas, a bit of spare juice for the Zippo lighters, and magnifying glass, well, card. We're pretty covered on fire. And then the other day I done a video with Becky, and we've been using this to start our fires, and Mrs Bushwacker's been making a few feather sticks, trying to save a bit on resources, and a few poly paws in case the midges get bad. We can just spark one of these up and leave it near our tent or hammock. So we're pretty much sorted. I do like carrying all this, makes life easier, especially when you've had a hard day like today. So I'll show you how effective how effective this glass is. I haven't taken out the wrapper either. On a nice bright day. We should have fire. Look at that, guys. I haven't even taken out the wrapper. Where there's smoke, there's fire. So that's a good backup. Oh, I love the smell of burning birch. Put that out, not a whole lot going up. So yeah, so that's covered that. So then put all this away, we're going to go down the river. Just do a little bit of exploring and then come back, and Mrs Bushwacker's going to do a nice meal. See you in a bit, guys. Very nice. Very nice. Quite nice. Nice, guys. Trying to make me fortune, guys. Pay for this holiday. Find a bit of gold. My motto is you don't try something, you never know. I'll make Mrs Bushwacker smile if I find a nugget. So day 3's drawing to an end, guys. Just having a cup of tea, gonna have a few more casts in the river, and then we're gonna be up early tomorrow and then moving on. It's always a thing when you move on, you're gonna find somewhere as nice as this. We'll see where we land up tomorrow. So see you tomorrow, guys. I'll pack up in the morning, show you that, and then we'll be back on the water. So good night, guys, see you tomorrow. It's Bushwacker.
Good night.
Another chub, guys. Nice chub in the evening. Beautiful fish, quite hit the lure hard. That's going back in. Lovely, lovely. Morning, guys. Bit of a chilly one this morning. About 4:30, so have a quick brew and then start packing up the boat, loading up the boat, sorry, and heading downstream. Lovely morning. Yeah, guys, breakfast and a hot water bottle, or should I say a hot rock. Good start to day 4. Mrs Bushwacker can have that in a minute. Loaded up now, so we're going to head downstream. Beautiful day, beautiful morning. It's starting to warm up now, so it's lovely. Can't beat being on a river early morning. Gorgeous. Stunning. And it ends beautiful.
Yeah, lovely.
Rolling.
Rolling.
Rolling. Rolling on a river. stopped off for a nice hot chocolate, guys. It's got the Kelly kettle on. Make use of this. No, it just keeps getting better and better every corner. Stunning weather again. We clocked about 4 miles now this morning. We've earned a nice hot chocolate. Right guys, just pulled into this area, it got really hot, so we craving some shade, so we're going to stay here the night. We've had a bit of a clear up, cleared a few stinging nettles down, and getting dinner on now. Going to have hot dogs and onions, so brilliant. And the weather's is so warm, well, you can see by my face. So we've done about I think it's about 8 miles today on the boat, so nice rest tonight, and then I think we're going to start travelling early in the morning and sort of knocking off by about 11:30 before it gets too warm, and then find a nice sheltered spot. So day 4 and it's still great, not as nice as the other place we stayed last night, but it's still very nice. So I better get back to me the onions. See you in a bit guys.
Not saucy.
Oh yeah, these. Very nice, guys. I need this. Right guys, so lovely day again, beautiful scenery. We tried to show you some of it, you know, here and there, but can't capture it all. And I'm in the hammock over there, Mrs Bushwacker's in a tent, so we've got a nice view of the river tonight. And same again tomorrow, up early, quick brew and then on the river. So see you tomorrow guys, day 5, still smiling.